To measure the chest, take your tape around the back, making sure that it's horizontal with the chest, and measure its widest point, and that's how you get your chest measurement. To measure the collar, make sure the tape is around the base of the neck, and match it up with the inch sizing. For a looser collar, you can measure it with one finger behind, and slightly looser, even more still, 2 fingers. And that's how you measure your collar. To measure the sleeve, you take your tape measure to the shoulder, down to the cuff, and there you have your sleeve measurement. To measure the centre back, you take your tape measure, you put it to the nape of the neck. There's a bone here that sticks out. Keep it there, and wherever your jacket finishes, that's the centre back measurement. To measure the waist, you find your belly button, the point of the hip, you measure around between those 2 points to get your waist measurement. To measure your outside leg, you take your tape measure from the top of the trouser to the break point of the shoe, and that's how you measure your outside leg. To measure your inside leg, you go from the highest point on the inside of the trouser to the break point of the shoe.